Yo, my best friend till the very end. Cause best friends don't have to pretend. You need a hand, and I'm right there right beside you. You in the dark, I'll be the bright light to guide you. Remember the times sticking out the house. All of the times that you had your doubts. And don't forget all the trouble we got into. We got something you can't undo. Laughing so damn hard, crashed your dad's new car. All the scars we share. I promise, I swear, wherever you go, just always remember that you got a home for now and forever. And if you get low, just call me whenever. This is my ode to you. Wherever you go, just always remember you're never alone. We're birds of a feather, and we'll never change no matter the weather. This is my ode to you. I know I drive you crazy sometimes. I know I call you lazy, and that's most times. But you complete me, and that's no lie. You are my tuxedo, and I'm your bow tie. We in the car, singing our song. Rocking the building, tear it down like we King Kong. And in my eyes, you can do no wrong. You got a best friend, sing along. Laughing so damn hard, crash your dad's new car. All the scars we share. I promise, I swear, wherever you go.
Sorry talaga kung magkakanan na. Wala yun, kalimutan na natin. Best friend? Best of all friends. Ito, na-miss ko na to. Yung kwento ng best friends, Ivy and Kevin.
Tayo pala yan, no? Bes, sige na.
Kaya break ka ng boyfriend mo, tapos tatanungin mo kung okay lang ako.
Ay, naku, Bes. Lalaki lang yan. Ito naman kami ni Vera Maxi.
Alam mo, Bes, sobrang thankful ako. Kasi, dalawang breakup sa yung dumaan sa akin, pero nandyan ka pa rin. Pati ikaw, Ate Vera.
Ano mo? Mga boyfriend. Wala naman nagsirisip. Bes, wala mo makasama.
Ay, naku, Bes, tama na nga ang drama.
Ay, naku, ikain na lang natin yan.
Tuwa ako, pero yung talaga, kaya kailan.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long
It takes waiting for a love like this.
every time we
Every time sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees are move so pretty, you're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
Ang kwento ni Ava at Ivy Mendez.
Uy, dating ka na.
Ako pala, ako Kati, baka ikaw.
Sus, cutting eh.
Laman ka talaga mainit. Bitawan mo nga ako, close ba tayo? Hoy girls, hindi na naman sinabi sa akin nandito na pala kayo. Ang tagal kong nag-antay doon, ang init-init kaya. Tapos yun tuloy, nakasalubong ko pa, nakasama ko pa yung freak na yun, yung kaibigan ni Jake at saka ni Kevin. Oh my God. Sige, dito ka na umupo. Sorry, Aga. Wala kasi kami load eh. Wala yung pa-loadan dito. Sige na, okay. Never mind. Basta huwag niyo lang po.
Ano yung cancel ka sila? Sabi sila,
Ikaw, girl,
Mamos.
May suitor ka na pala.
Ito lang tayo.
Whatever, girls. Kaya ko lang siya tinanggap kasi mag-init talaga sa labas. At saka may ginawa yung pagkakas. Sige, girl. Iwan ka na muna namin. Dito ka na, Ron.
Hindi ka nainitan.
Ayun na, may ice cream ako eh. Anyway, thank you.
Ano naman? May mga magkapit tayo. Ito pa pa nasa pagkamaraan.
I'm turning the pages, just wanna be in love forever and ever. You and me, always together. And I know I don't wanna cry no more. I can't no more. It feels just like I'm falling in love. Feels just like I'm falling in love, in love.
And let me give it to them. Listen, I didn't want to fall in love, it's too soon. I'm falling in love and it's all cause of you. And I don't want to fight it, I kinda like it. Love rocks and baby, you too. Look how you got me feeling. I'm awake for your love, no sleeping. My love's here to stay, so don't leave it. And let it flow until we get seasick. You say I look better with love, but love looks better with us. I met girls round the world, but you're the only one I trust. Cause I'ma stay true to the end too. You're not just my girl, my best friend too. I'm glad your ex left you, left room for me to accept you.
I'm turning the pages, just wanna be in love forever and ever. You and me, always together. And I know I don't wanna cry no more. I can't no more. Feels just like I'm falling in love. Feels just like I'm falling in love, in love. Feels just like I'm falling in love. Love. Feels
This chick got me talking. I didn't wanna stand for love, but somehow she's got me walking. And I would run for love, have an election, women supporting. Put a banner up, me and her gonna fight for love with no stalling. Cause we ain't never had a love like this. You wanna feel mine like Kiss? You eternally feel like this, so let it in, don't try to fight it, please. I need you to be my star, so when you shine, I know where you are. I'll always wanna feel your heart, forever and never, we're never apart.
I'm turning the pages, just wanna be in love forever and ever. You and me, always together, and I know I don't wanna cry no more. I can't no more. Feels just like I'm falling in love. Feels just like I'm falling in love, Feels just like I'm falling in love. Feels just like I'm falling in
They
love.
say I look better with love, but love looks better with us. I've met girls around the world, but you're the only one I trust. I say I look better with love, but love looks better with us. I've met girls around the world, but you're the only one I trust. I swear.
At pala ko ng pagiging boy estudyante, no? Yung nagkakating, yung mga kapasukayan, tsaka yung mga hindi natin makikinig sa klase. Yung kahit na nating mali, matuto naman tayo na dapat ulitin. Marami tayong natutunan sa pagiging estudyante.
Oo nga, sarap balikan. Pero, di pa din ka nagpapating magkapatid.
Oo nga, 10 taon na nakakalipas, ganyan pa rin kayo.
Oo nga, ang tagal na niya. Pati na. I love you, ate!
Sino pala si Vera?
Hindi ko nga no. Wait lang hanapin ko lang.
Sige.
Sige.
Baka nasa labas mo.
Siguro.
Teka guys, ano mga naganap ng bago sa inyo ngayong taon?
Ako? Ayun, spread rumors.
Huy, girl! Nakita namin si Jake at saka si Vera.
Sa labas nagdi-date. Oh, talaga? Tinakapuntahan natin.
Pasaway talaga yun. Pasaway talaga yun si Ate Ava. Sabi niya, di na daw siya magkakalat ng rumor. Pero parang sumasagap na naman sa labas. Oo nga. Pero alam niyo guys, masaya talaga ako na naging magkakasi tayo. Na maging magbabarkada tayo. Dahil sa pagiging estudyante, alam ko na ngayon ang tama sa mali. Dahil ang buhay estudyante, parang tropa natin. Ang tropang Rocky G!